excited to share with you this 2.4 gig wireless Bluetooth dual mode multimedia keyboard. What's great about this one is it's chargeable. And you can also have it on a cord. So once it has a charge, you don't have to have that cord hooked up, but you don't have to worry about batteries anymore, which is great. So I was able to plug this right into my computer with the USB. Here is the cord, the USB-C that goes into the keyboard. This goes right into your computer, and then this is the USB that hooks up into your computer to link it together. There's a cute little compartment in the back here. That's where you keep it, so when you travel with this is lightweight. It's Bluetooth, so it can connect to a phone, a tablet, computer, whatever you are using it for. If you do not have a USB to hook it up to, I could hook it up to my computer without using the USB. What's great is it has that really fun light capability, and it has blue or green on the back lighting. It's not a total smush board. It does have some pushback to it, which I like. And then it also has a 10 key, which is important to me because I'm in finance, so I have to have a 10 key for my keyboard. So let's get this hooked up on my computer so you guys can see it in action. Enjoy!